Today's event is Aging in Place, modifying your home to meet your changing lifestyle. And it's all about things large and small that older adults and people with disabilities and really people of all ages and abilities can do to stay in their own homes so their home evolves with their changing lifestyle. That can be small things like putting in lever-style doorknobs, or maybe putting in wider doorways, or even in no-step entryways. So it's comfortable, easy for everyone to navigate as they age, if they acquire a disability, or just for the public in general.
The presentation shows all the rooms in the house, especially important and outside the house. Especially important is the stairway, the porch, the width of the door, hallways, and then going in, especially in special detail, the bathroom and the kitchen. Two rooms that everybody needs to use. The bathroom in particular has to be a certain size to accommodate wheelchairs. We go into detail about the height of outlets and light switches and so forth, because for anybody with mobility limitations who's using a wheelchair all the time, many of these changes are essential to maintain the independence of that person.
Well, this event brings a lot of people together. We have people here from AARP and a number of Fairfax County organizations, and it's important because we want to get the message out about how important it is for people to stay in their own homes as much as possible. If people want to get involved with what they're doing, they can get engaged with Fairfax County's Building for All Committee, and that's at fairfaxcounty.gov/universal design. They can call the Aging Disability Caregiver Resource Line at 703-324-5421, and really by working with us, they can find out about home modifications that they can make to stay in their own homes, as well as a wide variety of services that Fairfax County offers to keep older adults and people with disabilities in their own homes as long as possible.